I don't want to open all of them though, because they're gonna get bad, right? Well, they're not gonna get bad. I can still. They have a clasp. That's fine, right? Okay. Everyone else on YouTube opens them, and I'm like, don't they go bad so fast? Ooh, it smells good. No, like no. Just tastes like trail mix. No, just trail mix, pretty much. I don't know why it's called apple cinnamon. It tastes like apples. Ancient grains, granola, a mix of oats, quinoa, kamut, emref, and spelt with toasted coconut. Long name. I didn't even know I was getting these ones. Yes, I did. Never mind. Scared. They don't look good. Tastes like it's sweet. It tastes like oats. Like tastes like oatmeal, but like rolled up. Like cooked oatmeal rolled up with some cinnamon. Flax, fortune coins. Oh god, flax. Oh, they don't smell good. They smell so gross. Ew, come smell these. Smell them. You have to smell it. You have to. Oh, that smells so bad. Okay. Oh, it tastes like fortune cookies. Those are good. Come try them. They taste like no, they actually taste like fortune cookies. Oh, you won't look at them. Oh, they're so good. Those are good. Really good. Those are gonna be gone really fast. Okay. This one is Santa Fe corn sticks. Oh my gosh. Okay. My nails are totally ruined. Can't open it. I like cheese. Tastes like cheesies. They actually like taste like cheesies. Like, you know those like crunchy ones that you can buy, like. Oh, so good. You would like these. You like cheesies, right? Like those cheesies? Asiago and cheddar cheese crisps. I don't like cheese crisps. This is the only thing I knew I wasn't gonna like. Oh god. They look like a little waffle. Okay. Bye. Those are gross. Yeah.
One of the 2 cents. Yeah, yesterday you told me you were going to Walmart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yesterday you told me you were going to Walmart. Yeah.
One of the 2 cents. Yeah, yesterday you told me you were going to Walmart.